Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a $500,000 live account at Interactive Brokers. I've been investing for 18 years, and during that time, I've made more than 100 times returns. With this account, I'll show you my positions and my trades, and the goal is simple: to grow it to $1 million within a year or two. My entire investing philosophy can be summed up in one sentence: value investing plus selling puts is king.
The idea of value investing isn't complicated, but to really master it, you can go almost infinitely deep into fundamentals. The most famous name here is Warren Buffett. We'll cover that in future lessons. For today, let's start with something very practical: selling puts. A lot of people hear options and think it's complicated, but selling a put is actually very simple.
Let me show you with Google stock. Today, Google is at 240.4. We look at the October 17th put, strike. 240, premium. 7.2. Here's what happens. On October 17th, if Google is above 240, you just keep that 7.2. If Google is below 240, then you buy the stock. But at an effective cost of the 240 strike minus the 7.2 premium, which is 232.8. That's it. That's selling a put. In one sentence, when you sell a put, you either pocket cash or you buy the stock you want anyway at a cheaper price. Now there's also the opposite idea: selling calls. I'll just mention it quickly. Selling a call means either you keep the cash or you sell the stock you own at a higher price. So with a put, you maybe buy cheaper. With a call, you maybe sell higher. Together, selling puts and selling calls make up selling options. For what it's worth, my strategy is more about selling puts. So why does selling options make money consistently? Because selling options is basically like running a casino. It gives ordinary people a legal opportunity to run a casino-like business. Think about it. On the other side of every option trade is a buyer. That buyer is betting on the stock going up or down. This is a group of people who are among the most eager in the market to get rich overnight. And to place that bet, they're happy to pay the premium. Most tutorials out there focus on buying options, basically teaching you how to bet. But when you sell puts, you flip the game. You're not the gambler. You're the house. Selling options gives you the odds of the casino. And if you can't make money even when the odds are in your favor, then maybe this market just isn't for you.
All right, that's enough basics for today. I'll leave you with a little question. If selling options is like running a casino, why do I think the best strategy is selling puts, not including selling calls? That's something I'll explain in a future video on risk management.
But before we wrap up, here's a little bonus for those of you who stayed until the end. A true crypto OG has been quietly building a massive position in a brokerage stock. The stock is Tiger, and the OG is Li Lin, the founder of Huobi, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. According to public filings, Li Lin and his family office, Avenir Group, now own about 12% of Tiger. All bought this year. Tiger is a brokerage for US and Hong Kong stocks. It's trading at around 17 times earnings, not expensive for this sector. And I also sold puts on Tiger. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. I'll be back with more on value investing, selling puts, and of course, updates on this $500,000 account. See you in the next video.